classical Schamanen-Trommel that you find all over this world in different cultures, built in the same style on all continents. And it's originally made for contemplating on the sound and uniting with it to dive into an altered state of mind, a kind of trance state, to slow down the brain waves and the heart rates, and then a shift in the consciousness taking place, and then you connect deeper states. And that's why shamans all over the planet use them not only to play some nice sounds, some music, but to heal, to give healing sessions to people, and to connect themselves to the heartbeat of the universe, you could say, to the heartbeat of Mother Earth. And besides that, it's a really nice sound, as I find. And I use it musically as well as for sound healings and in music therapy. And in our band, Magic of Sound, we all have one, and to use them all together, mostly as 3 in 1. And to sing as well, mostly MIROSLAV and I, as a kind of duet, following into a kind of dialogue. Yeah, that's the Schamanen-Trommel.